If you want to optimize the graphic settings on the Hogwarts Legacy game to get the best performance on your device, then just follow these steps. You may either go into the settings right from the main menu, or you can pause your game by pressing the start button. Now, from the left panel, navigate into display options, from which you can choose your resolution, and here you can also find the upscaling options. You can also choose your frame rate that you desire to play the game in, and this depends entirely upon your preference. Choose a value above 60 FPS, or choose the frame rate of your display unit. For the VSync option, just leave it off and only turn it on if you notice screen tears within your game. You can also enable low latency mode if you notice some latency issues. Now, we have the frame generation option, which can also be used if you want to boost your FPS. Some devices work better with DLSS and some work better with XESS. So choose your desired method and then see how these feel. You are also free to turn off the upscale mode and simply use the TAA or temporal anti-aliasing option. Alongside TAA, you can also find NVIDIA DLAA, so try and see which one works better with your system. Now, if we go into the graphic options, we can choose our preset quality. I would recommend to start with high or ultra if your device supports it. Then check your performance, and if you notice some issues, you can come back to this menu. Now, for most games, I prefer to reduce the population density, the population quality, as well as view distance quality. We can have a medium quality for each of these. The shadow quality can also be reduced to low or medium, and the same can be done with fog as well as foliage. Try playing around with these settings in order to boost your FPS within your game. And there you have it. That is how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Hogwarts Legacy game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.